Hey YouTube, we have another set of unboxing for you today. We have the Apple power cable extension cord, and we also have the USB-C 30-watt adapter, and also the USB-C to Lightning 1-meter cable. So let's get right into it. I wanted to do a fast charge on my iPhone 10, yep, iPhone 10, and I needed to put this set together. Without further ado, let's start from the biggest one. We have our little tab, no knives required. What else? Some documentation. That's pretty much it. Let's get rid of this. Alright. I think they should have included this with the iPad Pro 2020, but Apple is not in the business of including things. They're all about excluding things. So, this is your universal piece that goes into various adapters. You can use this with the 30 watt, I believe the 61 watt and the 90 watt charger adapters as well. Thank you for that. Alright, so this is 30 watt charger. It's the cheapest one they have that does quick charge. There goes the tab. Gotta give it to Apple for their packaging. What else? Yeah, we need too many books to learn how to use one of these. Yeah, they made this. Ooh, they made this paper type material. Great. So the idea is to take this and toss it away and extend your life, at least your range for charging. Ta-da! I don't know if it focuses. Hang on. It won't focus. Yeah. Anyway, so this is part 2, and last but certainly not least, USB-C to Lightning cable. Again, friendly tab. Voila. Very thin. First impressions, very thin. I was hoping for a little bit more oomph, but that's all you get. So, Lightning to USB, or USB-C to Lightning rather. This goes in here, and voila, you have yourself a fast charger. Well, thank you very much, and enjoy giving your money to Apple. Have a good one. See you on the next one. Peace.